What's up, Kiki?
¿Qué onda?
¿Cómo andamos, Pri?
Chilling.
Sí. ¿Anda nerviosito qué?
A little bit.
Más o menos?
Simón.
Not used to being behind the camera or what?
No way, never.
Fuck it. Pues andamos aquí, güey. I'm gonna take the virginity away from you, fool. Get behind the camera more often. No?
Simón.
Fuck it. ¿Acaba de lavar la truck or what?
Simón, un quick wash.
Quick, little one?
Simón.
This is your only truck?
Well, I have two.
Two? Pero, bueno, we'll get into that right now. I'm not gonna skip, ¿eh?
Alright.
Pero para empezar, ¿quién es, Pri? Who are you? You rep a truck club. ¿Qué onda? Tell me a little bit about yourself.
My name is Christian y me llaman Kiki.
Kiki.
Boosted Kiki.
Boosted Kiki on Instagram, no?
Simón.
I'm gonna put it right here, fool.
Suarez brothers.
The Suarez
The
brothers.
youngest one.
The youngest one, no?
Simón.
How long you been in the truck scene, fool?
Like 6 years now.
6 years now?
Simón.
How old were you cuando empezó?
I was like 16.
16 years old.
Simón.
Dang, youngster. Tenía, you had a truck. Well, ¿con qué car empezó?
Empecé con un Crown Victoria.
A car.
Yeah.
Crown Vicky. Y mandó una foto. I'm gonna put it right here para que la miren todo. That was your first car. 16-year-old.
Simón.
¿Y ahorita qué maneja?
Pues manejo this one and my other 16.
Pero I don't want to get too into it because that'll be another video. Pero la 16 es the second.
Yeah,
es otra, ¿no?
Simón, otra single cab.
Usted había comprado la famosa Sousa.
Simón, la Sousa.
Right? From Bull. Hell yeah. ¿Y qué, Pri? What inspired you to become a car enthusiast? ¿Por qué un carro o camioneta at first?
Well, you know, my brothers siempre han tenido trucks and I would go to the meets with them. You know, I like to pedal, you know?
Yeah, le gustó el desmadre.
Simón.
Well, more than anything, el bondship, ¿no? Que se iba con su canal.
Yeah, well, they would take me and then, you know, go check out their trucks and, you know.
The love for the game.
Yeah.
That's where it grew, no? How old were you when you first started?
I was 16.
See? 16. When you first
got
camioneta.
Yeah, the brand new Silverado.
And was it a car that you wanted first or a truck?
Well, I always wanted a truck, Simón. I always wanted a truck. And
what did your brothers drive at that time when you were 16 years old?
They would drive OBS.
Una black one y una red
black
one.
One y una red one.
Y tu cousin tenía una blue one.
Y mi
That's when I met
una blue one.
Cool,
y ese güey. Yeah.
Y estando ahí para arriba abajo con ellos. ¿No?
Era de bold ese güey.
¿Quién? Your cousin?
Yeah.
Eran rivals.
Simón.
El que hace trucks y vos no se iban antes. ¿No?
Sí.
A lot of people don't know that.
Yeah.
Yeah. History back then.
Simón.
Yes, sir. And was this truck your very first build? ¿Usted le metió dinero?
Simón.
Yeah. Vino de usted, pues.
Simón, 100%.
¿Y luego por qué no tiene el Crown Vic anymore? ¿O el qué era? ¿El Crown
Vic?
El Crown Vic?
Yeah.
What made you ditch that car?
A mí estaba chingón y todo, you know, but it wasn't my type.
Nah.
Ese era de mi pops. He built it. Llamé from scratch. Tenía bag
handed down, pues.
Simón.
Órale.
And lo cambié por un Mercedes Benz.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you went from a car to another car?
Yeah.
You didn't jump into trucks right away?
No, not right away.
How old were you when you first got your... Es esta, ¿no? Your first truck?
My first truck, yeah.
How old were you?
Well, truck, no. I had another one. It was a 16 también. It was lifted, a white one.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. That was my first truck.
Esa la agarró.
Simón, 100%.
And did you do anything to that one? Oh, I'm going to put a picture porque sí me mandó una foto de
Simón,
de esa también.
Picture.
That was your first one?
Yeah. Nomás a esa le hice 10, exhaust y un system.
Simple.
Simple.
Kept it simple.
Yeah.
And got rid of it right after.
Yeah, I got rid of it.
Y that's when you got...
Yeah, after like a month or two, and luego ya agarré esta.
Esta.
Simón. Everyone was already lifted when I got it, but I always wanted a lower truck, you know?
Yeah.
And pues ya...
It was more you seen, pues.
Simón, lower.
Viene, nació de your brother's side,
My
¿no?
brothers, pues, ya.
Que venían static también estos canijos.
Ya estaban low.
Hell yeah. So, usted viene de generation, ¿no?
Simón.
The truck builders. Huh.
Simón.
And what was the first mod on this one? ¿Qué fue lo primero que le hizo esta?
El first mod que le hice fue, I believe, the exhaust.
The exhaust?
Yeah.
Porque esa la agarró completely stock.
Sí, completely stock.
Different color.
Different color. Everything.
Yeah.
It's a brand new truck again.
Brand new.
Say, you know?
And this time around.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. Está bien. Hoy en día, you think you would have gotten this far doing what you've done to this truck? Did you ever imagine getting this far, pues?
To be honest, no way.
No?
No.
Is there a angle to this, or is this it for this truck, or todavía le va a hacer
honestly, I would want to, but you know, you can't ever, todo sale algo new, and
yeah,
do the new stuff, you know?
It's a money pit.
Yeah, money pit.
Never ends.
Sí.
De repente mañana se lo antoja otro color.
Yeah.
Otros wheels, ¿no?
Yeah.
Well,
wheels, I always get wheels and flip them. I try to like get some, put them on, flip them. You know? I've gone to outstate to get some and
out of state?
Yeah.
What was you've gone to shows, no?
I've gone to shows.
La Saca show.
Yeah. I try to hit every show at least from the area.
And truck meets.
And
Aquí
trimmings, yeah. Every Thursday la saco. I wash it
A dar
every
la
Thursday.
vuelta. A dominguear también o no?
Yeah,
Sí.
también.
Pero pues ya me está diciendo, future plans, pues si se le antoja hacer algo diferente.
Yeah,
pues,
I mean,
cambia.
future, right now, ahorita I'm chilling, you know, because
Yeah.
I have another truck, so it's hard to put money in both or
Right.
build both trucks at the time, you know.
Yeah. So the first thing you did to this one was the exhaust, me había dicho.
Ajá.
Después de ahí, ¿qué le hizo?
Le hice las tints,
Tint, which is just basic mods.
yeah, basic mods.
What was the first radical thing you did to it? The most money you've dropped on it. At your youngest age, the very first radical mod way, digamos.
Well, I believe like the drop,
The drop?
that
That was the biggest mod pues que
Yeah.
hizo after the tints and
yeah, that was like the third mod I did to it, the
Third?
third drop.
Y de ahí, tell us a little bit qué más le fue haciendo.
Yeah,
As time kept going pues.
Yeah, ahí le hice sunroof,
El sunroof
el
was the
sunroof,
next.
that was
Drop,
nice.
sunroof.
The 5-button one.
Ajá.
I
Y
got
lo-
it at OCR style.
Y luego le tenía también, I remember you had it on 24s, ¿no?
Yeah, I had it on 20s y luego le puse 24, los Cadillacs,
Simón.
lo de la Escalade,
Sí.
los 24 reps. And then after those, I believe I went back to stocks 20s y le puse los Pro tires. And then le agarré los 24 Trailblazers,
The Trailblazers.
Los Trailblazers.
TBS.
the silver
The
ones.
silver one, yeah.
Yeah.
Y de ahí.
And then I believe I sold them and then I got some 22, that's it, los 22s,
Right.
los de la Intimidator.
Yeah. At that time, you had already joined ese truck?
Simon, honestly, since I got the truck, I believe le puse right away el sticker because I knew I was gonna go fast, you know.
Yeah. Usted era ya designated to be
Yeah.
an SE trucker, ¿no?
Simon.
Y de ahí, what was the next mod for you?
Pues le hice el color match, but I did the color match before the rims.
Before the wheels?
Yeah, before
Ya
the
le había
wheels.
hecho eso.
Yeah,
And that's when it sat on the caddies?
that's on the caddy,
On the 24th también era, ¿no?
24.
Y luego, you did the TBS.
The
after that.
TBS.
When did you do the interior? Before paint or after paint?
Before paint.
Before paint.
Yeah, before paint.
¿Qué color era antes?
Era all black, pero no era de leather.
No, la camioneta.
Ahora como greenish. I don't even know the color. It
You don't know
was a
the-
hard color.
Yeah, yeah.
To explain it, it's kind of hard.
Yeah, y le hizo el tan interior, ¿no?
Yeah, le hice el
It
tan
was
interior.
it was like blackish with the tan interior antes. I mean, the grayish color que era la stock truck.
No, it was just all black.
La truck, though.
Oh, well, yeah.
Sí, ¿no?
Simón.
Y con tan interior. Era
Simón.
gray con
Sí,
tan.
sí, con tan.
Y lo tenía silver, así pues, silver inserts. Como
Yeah, well, ya era cuando le hice el color match.
Ujú.
Le hice silver inserts y luego el lower balance también en el middle.
Right.
Bien.
Y de ahí, well, what was the next major bag that you dropped on your truck, B?
De ahí, pues, we'll go with the paint.
With the paint?
Yeah.
And what made you decide to go red? Is your favorite color?
Well, to be honest, it's my favorite color.
El rojo.
And I always wear red.
Yeah,
red,
yeah.
You know?
Jordan.
Yeah.
Okay. Jordan red.
I wanted a red truck,
Mm.
but no había in the lot.
Yeah.
So, like, I was super picky about my truck, you know? So, we would go to a lot of dealers.
Simón.
And I wanted que tuviera todas las functions, like sensors, big screen on the cluster.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it took me like a while to find the right one, you
No
know?
sponsors, no daddy,
No,
no daddy money.
Hell no.
That's right.
Nah, but sí me hicieron el paro. To get it out, pues they
No, yeah,
they
of course.
brought it out,
Como
you know?
todo, you know.
But
that's
to
how we
go
all
there,
start
like,
things.
that was on me, you know?
Yeah.
I would ask them for money. Hey, let me borrow some money to fix my truck, you know? I mean, I would pay them back while I
Yeah.
was working, you know, whatever.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
regardless, it was your
Simón.
hard work earned money.
Simón.
Like, hacen paro, pues,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
any parent.
Yeah. Well, my parents, they helped me out a lot, you know?
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'm not going to say que no, you know, so.
It was when you're thankful, la neta,
Yeah.
you're grateful, güey, porque no todos tenemos esa dicha, you know
Yeah.
what I mean? Like the help, pues, de los
Simón.
parents. Yeah, especially if they like the same thing you do, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? Because I'm sure your dad likes cars too.
Yeah, he likes cars.
Tiene background también
También.
de changing
Yeah.
colors. And
Yeah. 100%.
Yeah, there we go. So overall, the whole family's a car enthusiast.
Yeah.
¿no? Hasta la jefita.
Well, yes. It's harder, pues. You know?
Más picky.
She's the type que, like, oh, like, it's a brand new truck, no le das nada, you know,
Yeah.
like that. Pero, yeah, after all, pues, te hace el paro, whatever, you know, you need a backup or something.
Simón.
Yeah.
So as of right now, you don't got no future plans to change up this truck. As of
Well,
right now.
As of right now, no.
Y ahorita how it sits, what what rims does it have, the specs, the sizes, pues,
Yeah.
in the front, the back,
Well, tiene los Vistas.
Vistas,
Son 6 lugs, 26, 28.
a little combo.
Yeah, a little combo.
Atrás you had to upgrade any suspension in it.
Well, I
To
did
fit
a
the
step
wheels.
notch, shock relocation. I did a doghouse.
All the necessary work, pues, que se ocupa.
Yeah, to ride it smooth, you know.
Yeah. And it rides smooth,
It
no?
is 100%. I could take it anywhere, you know.
¿Quién le hizo ese jale, Pri? Si, if you don't mind me asking.
The jale, se lo
If
hizo,
you wanna,
for the diff, se lo hizo HM.
HM,
He's from the C10 club.
C10 Club.
Yeah.
Where are they located? He's located out of
Well, trabaja pues a su house, o
Yeah.
si no, te vienes
okay.
el jale.
su little
rato.
side jale,
Yeah.
pues. That's good.
Well, I don't know, I think it's su full-time jale. you know?
Okay.
Pero he does it at his house, hace él motors,
Everything.
everything.
This truck in stock, ¿verdad?
No.
I mean, aside from the aesthetics,
Oh,
paint, tiene different hood. As I can see, it's not stock.
yeah.
Pero motor-wise, it's not just a show truck, ¿verdad?
Yeah, but tiene headers, tiene un ProCharger, el F1,
Oh, está ProCharged?
ProCharge,
Damn. Se ve bonito, ¿ah?
Simón.
Y entonces, pues, ya le encontró colmillo para toda esta camioneta, ¿ah?
Yeah,
Pretty much. So,
Yeah.
would you say you're emotionally attached to it?
100%.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
Emocionalmente?
Want to pass it to my kid?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, my next question, pretty much me la estás ya contestando. You wouldn't sell it?
Nah, it's hard for me to
Yeah?
do that, yeah.
If they came to you with the bag,
Well, the most they offered
Oh.
me was $55K for it,
Y
and
didn't-
the person had the money, you know,
Simón,
and I didn't let
¿te
it
lo
go.
convenció?
No,
55K no le movió.
55K. That's the highest que me han
Yeah,
hecho offer.
que le han ofrecido
Yeah.
por ella.
And the guy, pues, you know, with the cash in hand.
Damn. Se va a
I
quedar
mean,
en la-
maybe in the future, if I really
Yeah.
need the money or something, pues, you know.
Una emergencia,
yeah,
lo que sea.
it has to go, it has to go. But as
Yeah.
right now, this was my keeper, and then, well, I built it from bottom to top, so I know I did it the right way, you know.
Simón. Pues yeah, I mean, overall the truck looks fucking beautiful, Pri. Especially, pues, digo, you being a youngster, you know, in the
Simón.
truck scene and coming a long way, fool, porque I saw this truck completely transformed, dog. Desde que
Simón.
la agarró, güey. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Y luego, pues, le digo, ni se diga the other trucks that you
Oh,
have,
yeah,
but
other trucks.
como les había dicho en el blog, no le vamos a dar tanto mole. We're
Simón.
going to save a couple videos for your brother y pues usted también tiene,
Yeah.
digo, you have the other 16, ¿no?
16.
Para hacer un part 2
part
de
two.
esa, ¿qué no?
Simón, yeah.
Porque, digo, you were the new owner of Sosa, pero pasan tragedias, shit happens.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, that truck's not around anymore, but we'll save the story
Simón.
for another video, como digamos, ¿no?
But it's a trailer I brought it from the dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was in the backyard, all musty,
Arrumbada, ajá.
rusty, you know.
Esa también le hizo, well, like, we'll save that shit we'll
Simón.
save that talk
Yeah,
for another
we'll-
video,
we'll get it.
para no hacérselas tan larga, porque ahorita I just want to focus this on
this
your
one.
your
Laredo.
14, Simón. Pues ya me dijo que you do rep a truck club,
That's a truck.
you viene siendo ese truck.
Yeah.
You've been in digo, for a while now,
Yeah.
coming up over 7 years, huh?
Maybe, yeah, 7 years.
Well, my next question is this truck a garage queen, Pri, or is it
100%.
about it? We'll see, you fuck around on it too.
Well, I mean, yeah, poquito de todo, to be
Tiene
honest.
todo.
I know where I sit, so it could handle anything, you know.
Anything.
And
Se
runs-
defiende, pues, la
runs
canija.
good, and, you know.
Well, overall, you have a fucking badass truck, Pri.
Thank you, bro.
Props. If you haven't heard it, fool, you're hearing it from me, fool. I was in the truck scene for a while away, and coming from a truck enthusiast way, truck's fucking badass, Pri. Neta.
Thank you, bro.
Especially being your age, pues, you know.
Simón.
Because I started around the same time too. Pero bueno, I mean, for this truck, that's pretty much it, Pri. Those are all the questions I had for you. Fucking appreciate you. I know it took us a while to get this down.
Simón.
La neta, it kept on lagging on me, Pri. Gacho. Pero pues ahora, what I want to do is I want to get some rolling shots, if you don't mind.
Simón, we'll get it.
And a ver qué les enseña aquí
Simón.
to close the video out, ¿no?
A ver qué puede hacer.
I wanna. All right, Pri. Appreciate you.
Órale,
We're going to close this video out. Gracias.
ahí estamos.
Vámonos.